Here we are in Maine at the Nubble Lighthouse. We've brought up the application and we're selecting a project to add the new picture to. Here we are capturing a photograph, and now we're going to work with that photo. Once the image is captured and saved to a project, you can begin working with it. Here we've overlaid a grid to allow for transfer to the canvas. In this scene, the artist has transferred the image using the grid from the digital view catcher onto his canvas and has begun working with the tone and shading to complete his sketch. The digital view catcher allows for both line drawings, grayscaling of the image, and full color.